Hello everyone, and now let's begin one new tool to visualize this NetCDF files. So now that the recent version of SIESTA it is now NetCDF compatible, so it is now producing these .nc files, and now the question is how we can visualize this NC file. So in this topic we will discuss about this, what is this in NetCDF, and then there are several tools available to observe this .nc file generated through this SIESTA program using this NetCDF. So I am going to use this Panoply. This is one of the Java based tool, and we can use this. And now then we will begin hands-on session how to use this Panoply. So this NetCDF in SIESTA, so this is Network Common Data Form NetCDF. It is the set of software libraries and machine independent data format that facilitate the creation, access, and the sharing of array oriented scientific data. And it supports various data types, and it's especially useful in the context of large data sets typical in scientific computing. So as the version after this 4.0, this NetCDF utilizes this HDF5 format and enhancing its capability to manage large amount of data more efficiently. And the integration of this NetCDF with SIESTA, this allows for the advanced input-output operations, enabling users to manage data for more effectively using during this simulation. So some command line tools for manipulating this NetCDF files. These are some tools, that is NC dump. So this displays the contents of NetCDF files in the human readable formats. NC generation, this converts serial text format to NetCDF files, and NC copy, NCO, CDO. These are different tools. These are command based tools to convert these files in text format. And then there are visualization tools for manipulating these NetCDF files are NC view. This is a very simple graphical viewer of this NetCDF file. Panoply, this is Java based tool. And then CGPy, Python toolkits. And there are some programming libraries, that is NetCDF for Python. This is Python based library to provide an interface to read and write these NetCDF files. And XArray, this is also the Python package that simplify the working with the label multidimensional arrays. And there is a MATLAB NetCDF interface also. So MATLAB also provides the built-in function to read from and write to NetCDF files. And we are going to use this. So let's visualize this NIC grid files. So here I am going to use this Panoply Java based tool, and one can download this easily by this link, and I am going to give this link in the description. The binary file is available here, and we can easily open this by using simple command, that is panoply.s. So this is this will open that file, and here after running SIESTA, we have created that several NC files. So I'm going to open this charge density file generated for this. So now let us click this one. So here this will give the plane, different planes. So here this is N1 is x-axis and this is y-axis. So that will xy plane we can show. So we can create this. So by creating this type of window will open. Go into the details of this plot by using different point available here. Even that different planes we can have by changing this fine. So we can have this plane 1 to 162, and then I can modify this its contour. So here nothing is there, but when we put this type of contour is available, and now I can open this, so that this is that contour plot of the charge density of this silicon slab, and then I can also in the grid. So these are that different scales and labels we can have. That layout we can modify using this. Scales we can uh, change by scalar to logarithmic and others. So this is that thing. So this is one versatile tool, and we can uh, observe that labels if you want to. So that then these are that label of this charge 1. And so anyway, so this is that decorating part, and we can change the scale for. So I'm using this just for the demonstration, and then we can export this image. We can save this image in the different format, and that is that PDF, JPG, GIF, TIFT format, and we will have that one. So this is the method to generate this one, and I have plotted different part, that is electrostatic potential by using this. Yeah, that is that data file. This charge density. This is the method to create the charge density by using NC files using Panoply. Okay, so thank you all.